Hi everybody, welcome to the Animal Room here at the Helmer Nature Center. I'm Casey, the Education Coordinator.
And I'm Fox, an educator and naturalist. Here in the Animal Room, we have a lot of different critters, but they're here for very special reasons. Some of our animals were wild animals that can't live in the wild anymore. Our friends at Eastridge Animal Hospital help these wild animals to try to live their best lives and go back to the wild, but if they can't be returned to the wild, we can take care of them here.
Now friends, if you find a wild animal and you think it's sick or hurt, you don't want to go and immediately help that animal. You might actually make it worse. So you can call people like our friends at Eastridge or the New York State DEC, and they can give you advice about how you can best help that animal. Maybe you do wind up bringing it to Eastridge, but wild animals are meant to be wild, so do your best not to pick them up and touch it. In the next couple of videos, you'll see us holding our animals and interacting with them, but that's because they're animal ambassadors. They're used to us, and their main job now that they're living at Helmer is to help connect people like you to wildlife outside. So don't copy us. Please don't feed wildlife. Please don't touch them. If you want to learn more about wild animals, there are lots of great books and things online, or you can ask us questions. All right, so now I think it's time for us to go meet our animals. We're gonna have a couple of videos where you get to meet our herbivores, omnivores, decomposers, and carnivores. Anybody at home know what those words mean? Well, herbivores are our plant eaters. Our carnivores are animals that only eat meat, so other animals. Omnivores, like humans, eat a little bit of both. And then our decomposers eat all the dead and decomposing stuff. They're easily forgotten, but really important. I think we should go check them out. All right, so now we're going to talk about omnivores. This is Noname. He is an American crow. And an omnivore is an animal that eats both plants and animals. In the wild, crows eat a lot of different types of food, so he gets a really varied diet. He gets some soggy cat food because it helps him break down the cat food. He gets some dog food. Those both give him a lot of different nutrients. It gets lots of protein and things in there. He also gets some Cheerios and raisins. Sometimes he gets peanuts. We like to give him a lot of different food to keep him interested. Now in the wild, like I said, crows will eat a lot. They'll eat plants, they'll eat insects. They'll even sometimes act as scavengers. That's when an animal starts to eat at something that's already dead, like maybe something like roadkill. So he does eat meat now and then as a treat for us. Crows are really smart and really curious. Come on over here, Noname. He has a lot of enrichment where we try and keep him busy. Come on over this way. He also loves putting things in his water. If he's confused by something or really likes something, it goes right in his water. And I think he's feeling camera shy. Say hi, buddy. You can see Noname has a bad claw. He's had that since he was a baby, which is why he lives here at the Helmer Nature Center. So here, Noname is playing the piano, which, yes, is very cute and fun. Come on, play the piano. He gets a treat every time he hits a key. But we're not doing this as like a circus animal trick. We're doing this because crows are very smart, so they need a lot of enrichment. They need challenges in order to keep their minds occupied. Kind of like you might be stuck at home right now and your parents are giving you puzzles or you've got lots of activities from your teacher, because it's good to work your mind just like you need to get exercise too. Come on. Smart bird. So he gets a treat whenever he hits one of the keys. All right, here we have another omnivore. This is Ethel. She is a Norway rat. They're bred to be pets. So we got her from a breeder in Buffalo, but she's a really cool animal for kids to learn about with us because rats obviously are kind of good at getting away. They're very quick. But they are omnivores just like our crow. They'll really eat whatever they can get. They have a diet that consists of a lot of seeds and plants. In fact, they love to be pack rats, and if we give them food, they'll immediately go hide it in their little house and save it for later. They'll also eat insects, though, to get a lot of that protein in there. So our rats get a mix of a diet as well. They get a lot of the same stuff as our herbivore friends. They get some sweet potatoes and peanuts and lots of grains, too. And then they get some special blocks that help them get just enough protein for a balanced diet. Say hi to Lucy. They also get Cheerios now and then as a little bit of a treat.
So another example of omnivores would be our turtles. This is Tank. Tank is an eastern box turtle. And in the water we have Scooter. Scooter is a painted turtle. Now, turtles love a wide variety of foods in the wild. They love lots of aquatic vegetables like seaweed and algae and things like that. They also eat a lot of small fish or tadpoles and lots of insects and worms. Anything they can fit in their turtle mouth, they're gonna eat. Just like humans need a balanced diet with lots of proteins and vitamins and minerals, so do our omnivore animals.